In which countries does Verizon TravelPass work?
Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide to Verizon TravelPass. In this video, we're going to delve into the important question, in which countries does Verizon TravelPass work? So, if you're planning to travel soon and considering using Verizon's service, you've come to the right place.
What is Verizon TravelPass?
Before we jump into the list of countries, let's quickly go over what TravelPass is. Verizon TravelPass allows you to take your domestic talk, text, and data allowances with you while you're traveling abroad. With TravelPass, your wireless plan travels just like you do, in more than 185 countries worldwide.
Where does Verizon TravelPass work?
So, where does Verizon TravelPass work? The answer is, it works in over 185 countries around the world. This includes popular travel destinations such as the UK, Canada, Mexico, France, Germany, Australia, Japan, and many others. Please note, coverage may vary, so it's essential to check Verizon's official TravelPass page for the most up-to-date list of countries and specific coverage details. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Verizon's website is the most reliable source of information on this topic.
How to use Verizon TravelPass?
To use TravelPass, you need to add it to your account's line either through your online account or the My Verizon app. Once added, you'll be charged a daily rate for each 24-hour period you use your device in a TravelPass country. The great thing is, you're only charged for the days you use your device, so if you don't use your phone, you won't be charged. And that wraps up our video on Verizon TravelPass. Now you know that it works in over 185 countries worldwide, allowing you to stay connected with your loved ones or carry out important tasks no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this information useful. Safe travels!